Clipping management is without a doubt the best business model for beginners in 2026. And I'm going to show you how you can make your first $1,000 online without any followers, editing experience, or touching a single video yourself. Now, this is exactly how I started. I was just a regular guy with an Instagram account and no audience. I also had absolutely no clue how to edit a single clip or video online. But now I've built a clipping business that has made me over $10,000 in the first 30 days of me even starting. Now, the best part about all of this was it was completely free to do. So you might be asking, how do you start if you're a complete beginner and you have absolutely no experience in the online business world? And the answer is very simple. It's the same thing that I did. It's all just Instagram DMs. You can forget complex funnels or paid ads. All you really need is a personalized Instagram account to yourself and your name. With that, you can start sending 50 targeted and personalized DMs every single day without seeing a shadow ban or flagging Instagram. So here's how it works. You're gonna find creators or brands similar to YouTubers, podcasters, or streamers that are already posting long-form content. You'll go ahead and message them with a short value-driven DM pitch just like this. From there, you'll get them on a closing call where you pitch them a full clipping system where they get millions of views every single month. They'll put up the budget for the clippers, example right here, $5,000, and you're gonna charge $2,500 for every single month to manage their entire clipping operation. This way, you never actually have to touch the editing, you just fulfill for these clients and these creators using your network of clippers. I'll show you exactly how this works in a minute. Now, I've obviously got my own internal DM scripts that are personalized that I use. I've even got some crazy personalized outreach tricks that make closing 10 times easier. But just knowing that this model works with a single DM, is beginner friendly and completely free, that alone is game changing for all the beginners with no experience that want to get into online business. So once you land a client, you're probably thinking, well, now what? And that's the magic of what this model is. Like I said, you're not actually an editor or a clipper, you're the manager brokering these deals. You'll simply start fulfilling for these clients with clippers on Whop that are already waiting for work to land on their desk. Now, this is the part where most people get stuck and how to run the campaigns themselves, but I've created an entire foolproof system to do it for you. Once the client is in, you're going to set them up on Whop. You'll source your clippers from a variety of sources across Whop, Instagram theme pages, TikTok pages, and more. You'll invite them and have them join your Whop campaign, and then you'll have the client upload links and shareable files for them to start using in their clips. So all this process looks like is your clippers make videos, they post them, you review those videos, and your clients get results. This is extremely simple, it's extremely scalable, and you only have one platform and one place to manage everything. Now, the best part is if you really don't want to deal with clippers, we've got an AI software that does clipping for you, but that's to talk about another time. So make sure you subscribe because we will be dropping videos on that as well. Let's just say if you want to build an entire clipping management business without ever paying out a clipper or editing a video, you'll be able to do that. Now, here's the truth that nobody tells you. Most beginners burn out within 30 days. This is because they're trying to do everything themselves as a clipper. They're posting, they're editing, they're trying to get retainers from creating clients. But when you run this like a brokerage business and not just a clipping and editing side hustle, it becomes very easy to scale. You just become the broker and business owner. You'll delegate everything else to clippers to do the entire workload of fulfillment. So like I said, here's literally what you don't need: followers, experience, paid ads, and a crazy website. The only thing that you do need is consistent outreach, the clipping fulfillment system, and the drive to stick to it for at least 30 days. If you can follow this model exactly, I guarantee in 30 days, you'll start to close $2,000 to $5,000 monthly retainers, even as a complete beginner or somebody with no experience in online business. Now, the only thing that keeps you getting paid in this business is results. Now, clients want stuff that performs. When you actually give them clips and videos that go viral and get views, they'll stay with you for a long time. I've even had multiple clients and creators that I work with increase their budget and refer all of their other streamers or podcast friends straight to me. And the best reality here is you don't even need to be a video expert to know which videos are the best or how to make them go viral. The internet is already filled with creators and clippers that know what they're doing and do this full time. Your only job as a clipping manager is to find the creators, bring them on as clients, manage the process, and get the results. So if you're somebody who's stuck thinking that you need a huge following, viral editing skills, or a massive personal brand to make money online, you don't. You just need a simplified clipping system and method, and this is it. This is how I made my first $10,000 in clipping in just under 4 weeks. You can see it right here. I did this without touching a single editing software or posting a single video on any of my personal pages. The clipping management model works, it's beginner friendly, and it doesn't cost you a dime to start. Now, if you want more content just like this, I'll be breaking down how to get your first 3 paying clients in the first 7 days in the next video. So if you want to start your own clipping business, make sure you subscribe, because over the next few months, I'll be walking you through the ins and outs on exactly how to do that.